Stella,
She's excited.
Stella, no, sit. Stella to sit first. Stella, sit. Sit. Down. Stay. Now try Pepper. Stay. 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 She does have blue eyes. Stay. Stay. Stella, sit. Come here.
It's hard.
Sit. Sit. Down. Stay. Stay. That's okay. Now, we got to keep her steady.
Bella.
Stay.
Bella.
Stay. Good girl.
Maggie. Oh my goodness.
Okay, there you go.
Maggie. She's pushy. Everyone's getting pushy.
Everybody's sitting and being so good.
Oh.
I think we need to give her a little. Hi. Bella.
Bella.
Bella. Oh. Did she get a treat?
She just sits there. She doesn't move a muscle. Maggie, sit, babe. Good girl. Oh, she's excited. Isn't she? Maggie.
Stella, come. Stella, come.
She thinks my finger's food.
Come here, Stella.
No, not me. I got food.
Stella, sit.
I know, sweetheart. What's
Stella,
that food?
sit. Sit.
You guys are
I
funny.
got your food. I got your food. Hey,
Oh.
come here. Hey, come here.
Stella.
Oh.
Her face.